Drugs worth over 45 million shillings have been impounded in northern Uganda in a targeted operation conducted by officials from the National Drugs Authority. At least 112 drug shops were closed in the same operation.
This enforcement has been carried out in both Kole and Lango sub-regions. All operators currently operating without licenses are hereby directed to stop their operations until they fulfill all the licensing requirements.
A box containing government drugs allegedly stolen from a health center in Kole district was impounded in a drug shop in Alebtong District.
There is a health worker in Kole Health Center who has been ferrying those drugs from that health center and taking them to her private facility. We have the name, we have the contact of the person, and we are conducting additional investigations into the matter, and we shall go to the very conclusive end of that matter.
NDA, however, warns the public from seeking clinical services from the drug shops.
If these patients were not visiting drug shops to receive clinical services, examining them, administering injections to them, then these drug shops would not have clients to serve, and they would automatically stop this practice. So these practices of clinical services that are offered in drug shops are in one way or the other promoted by the public.
Meanwhile, at Malaba Border, NDA impounded buses with the smuggled drugs.
Specifically at the borders of Busia and Malaba, and was designed to target the smuggling of drugs into Uganda. This operation led to the apprehension through inspection of 7 buses at these 2 border points, which were found to be carrying illegally imported drugs, including 8 boxes of assorted medicines, as well as 1 box of assorted anti-cancer medicines.
NDA, however, informs those whose drugs were impounded for non-compliance to visit the regional offices for guidance. The public is also encouraged to report any drug-related bad practices to the authority for action. Ediolwa, UBC News.